In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Weebly site secure by getting an SSL certificate for your Weebly website. This process is pretty straightforward and can make a big difference in keeping your site safe and trustworthy for users. So let's dive right in and make sure your website is as secure as possible. First things first, head over to Weebly's homepage, which you can find by searching for Free Website Builder Weebly or using their main URL. Once there, you'll need to log in to your Weebly account. Now, if you're not already logged in, look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After entering your details, you need to click on the login button. And just like that, you're in. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard area of your Weebly account. Here you need to find the overview section of the site you want to secure. This is typically accessible from the dashboard homepage, making it easy to manage the multiple sites you might have hosted with Weebly. At this point, locate the Edit Site button and give it a click. This will bring you into the site editing environment where all the magic happens. Now inside the Weebly site editor, you're going to want to look for the settings option, usually located in the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on that. Within the settings page, scroll down until you find the SSL section. This step is crucial since SSL, or Secure Socket Layer, is what encrypts the data exchange between your site and its users, keeping everything nice and secure. If you notice that SSL is not enabled, don't worry, it's an easy fix. On the right side of the SSL settings, there's typically a toggle button or checkbox. Simply locate it and make sure to click it to enable SSL for your site. If it's already enabled, you're already ahead of the game. But if it wasn't, you've now successfully made your site more secure. And that's it. By enabling the SSL certificate on your Weebly website, you ensure a layer of protection that helps keep visitors' data safe. Plus, it improves your site's credibility and may even enhance your rankings in search engines, as Google tends to favor sites with SSL enabled. So take a deep breath and give yourself a pat on the back for securing your Weebly site. Thanks for tuning in and keep your site safe and sound.